This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by Lisa McCallum. Freshly painted, well cared for home in the desirable Knightwood Estates. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a split floor plan. Enjoy 2 dining areas including a breakfast area overlooking the backyard and a formal dining room, currently a play area. Kitchen has granite counters and lots of cabinets. The master bathroom has a walk-in closet, double vanity sink and a spacious walk-in shower. The indoor laundry room leads into the garage, where there is a lot of shelving for storage. The backyard is privately fenced and has a covered patio to enjoy spring evenings. Schedule your appointment today before this home is gone. For more information, review the details below.